If you watch this 2-minute video until the end, I guarantee that you will learn how to optimize your homepage of your e-com store. I'm Oliver Kenyon. This is episode number 62 of CRO Insights, where I lift the lid on before and after designs at my conversion rate optimization and landing page agency. There is no company on this planet that has designed more landing pages than ours. We've been doing this since 2012, and I'm going to get right into this before and after redesign. So as you can see above the fold, it starts with point number 1. We took their small font on their previous toolbar and we enhanced it to at least 16 pixels. No font on your page should be under 16 pixels. So you can now clearly see it, and we changed the color to just make it pop a little bit more. Number 2 is we laid the navigation out slightly different. It's important when you have a product store with multiple SKUs that you always showcase that search bar. Most people will use your search functionality. And of course, make sure when they click the search bar, there's suggested products within the search dropdown. Number 3, we've added that social proof. Beforehand, there was some very subtle social proof below the product images, but we've leveraged it and taken it one step further by making sure we mention the amount of customers and making sure that we say that they are happy customers. Really, really important. Number 4, we've changed the hierarchy of the page. We've gone for the title first because people typically align to that first value proposition within the title. And then we've shown the product images. We've laid it out better, and we've made it a little bit more emotive and benefit driven, elevating affordability, premium quality, pocket friendly prices. Very, very nice direct response copy. Number 5, speaking of copy, we've taken those small bullet points from the previous design and changed them into benefit-driven statements. We mentioned the benefit to the consumer, not the feature of the product. We've used clear visual ticks, we've increased the font size, and it leads us nicely into your all-important call to action. Point number 6, as you can see before, the button gets lost. It's not actionable, it's not emotive, it's a small, tiny pill button, black background on a black background, and it just doesn't make me want to click it. Now we have this beautiful full width button. It's a big orange color that stands out against the black, and it's very, very emotive. Shop best sellers. Way more clickable. And what we've done to anchor that in point number 7, we've used our famous trust policy bar. You can have this at the top as they did before. We've just anchored our call to action with it, and it's just a great place for you to list all of those unique value propositions about your brand, things like satisfaction guarantee, money back guarantee, and everything that just makes you very, very trusted as a company and therefore turns more clicks into customers. Speaking of which, if you want to learn how to turn more clicks into customers, head on over to our YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel so you get notified when we get new videos up every single week. And if you want my company, ConversionWise, to design you a higher converting lander, head on over to ConversionWise.com. I'll see you in the next one.